Have you ever pondered the inner workings of an electric motor? They're in so many everyday items, from the hairdryer you use in the morning, to the electric car you drive to work, to the fan that cools you down on a hot day. But how do these machines transform electrical energy into mechanical energy? How does an electric motor work? Electric motors are built on the foundation of one scientific principle: magnetic fields generated by electricity. It's a concept discovered by the Danish scientist Hans Christian Ørsted in the early 19th century. He found that an electric current passing through a wire creates a magnetic field around the wire. This magnetic field can interact with other magnets, causing movement. And that's the basic principle behind an electric motor. But what happens inside the motor? To start, an electric motor consists of two main parts: the stator and the rotor. The stator is the stationary part of the motor, which contains a set of electrical windings. When electricity flows through these windings, it creates a magnetic field. The rotor, on the other hand, is the part that rotates. It also contains a set of windings. When the magnetic field from the stator interacts with the windings in the rotor, it causes the rotor to spin. This spinning motion is what drives a fan, propels an electric car, or turns the drum in your washing machine. But how does the rotor keep spinning? This is where a component called the commutator comes into play. The commutator is a ring with two halves, and it's responsible for switching the direction of the current through the rotor windings. This switch happens every half turn and ensures that the rotor keeps spinning in the same direction. To summarize, an electric motor works by using electricity to generate magnetic fields. These magnetic fields interact to create movement. The stator creates a magnetic field which causes the rotor to spin. The commutator then ensures the rotor keeps spinning by switching the current direction. So the next time you switch on your electric fan or drive your electric car, you'll know there's a whole world of science and engineering hidden inside that simple motor, turning electrical energy into motion. Fascinating, isn't it?